All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery and any of your four-wheelers. They're all pretty much all the same. So let's go ahead and pop the seat off here. And normally you'll have like some sort of latch or button to go ahead and do that. So there's the original battery. Let's go ahead and get our Phillips, or actually we'll get our drill, make it easy, and take these out. And then we'll also get these out. I believe that's a 10 mil, the battery strap, and we'll take that out and put the new one in. Okay, so let's take the battery strap off first. Now we go ahead and remove our battery here. Alright, so now we can take the old battery out. Vacuum any crap out of there. And here's our new battery. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one. And here's our hardware for it. The new bolts and nuts. And we can compare them, make sure they're the same. So they look the same. Except this one's about $70 cheaper than this one. Hopefully it lasts just as good. So we want to make sure to put the positive on the positive side, so you make sure it's twisted this way. So you're going to slide these into here. This is what's going to lock these in so they don't spin freely. There's one. Let's get this other one in. Alright, so then we got the battery on there, all connected. We go ahead and put our strap back on here. All right, so we got the new battery in. Got the strap on there for the battery to hold it in place so it doesn't jump around when you're hitting jumps and stuff. Got our new light put on. Make sure to check out that video, really simple. And here's the old battery. And once again, I'll leave a description for this battery. So let's go ahead and turn it on and hopefully we get lights. Yeah, all right. So this thing hasn't been started in a while. Ready? Nice. All right. So we're all set here. So you see how simple that is? How to change your battery out. And like I said, that battery is like $70 cheaper than, you know, if you go to a dealership and try and buy one of their batteries. There we go, new battery. All right, so you see how simple that is to install? So we're all set here. And once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.